Hello everybody, it's once again time to clean the floor. Today I have Boardwalk Industrial Strength Pine Cleaner. And there's the website boardwalklabel.com. So let's go over to the cloud cam. We're over here at the cloud cam. And once again, we'll do an 1/8 cup per gallon of hot water. Maybe a little more. It'll spill over just a little. Do we have clouds? Yes, we do. We have clouds. So that's already a good sign. Let's head back over to the floor cam, and here's a look at the before. Nice and clear with some partly cloudy stuff in there. And as usual, I will go over the floor twice. Here's round one. That has a nice traditional pine scent, by the way. Very good. That is important. For me, anyway. Appears to be cleaning very well. And there's round one. And now for round two. And there's round two. Kind of rinse out the mop a little and see what we ended up with. Here's the after. Notice the water is not as clear as it was before, and I have bits and pieces floating. So I definitely picked up some dirt and debris, so that's a wonderful thing. And I'm left with a fresh pine scent. So Boardwalk is a keeper. Once again, this has been cleaning the floor with Boardwalk Industrial Strength Pine Cleaner. Thank you for watching.